In SAP S4HANA, the transaction code or screen display to make the currency settings of a company code has been changed. In SAP ECC, we use transaction code OB22 to set the additional local currencies for company code. And then we go to position and look for our company code, enter, and then double click on it. Just click yes. And we can see here the options to set the currencies. We can also use the menu path to make the currency settings into SAP ECC or SAP S4HANA. So normally we go to the IMG screen, financial accounting new, financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, ledger, and here we define currencies of leading ledger. So the same screen will appear, and here we can enter our company code and see the additional local currencies for company code. Now I will show you SAP S4HANA whether we can use the same transaction code to set the currency settings for a company code. So go to the transaction code OB22 and a dialog box will appear, which is telling you to use transaction FINSC underscore ledger to edit currency settings. If you click on continue button, so the display screen will appear. If you try to change the settings for a company code, the dialog box will still appear, and then it tells you to use this transaction code to edit currency settings. So let's use this transaction code. So first I will enter /n because we are not in to SAP Easy Access screen, and enter FinC ledger and press enter. And the screen pops up. So if we double click on this folder, currency conversion settings for company codes. So here we can define the currency type as we used to do into ECC by using the transaction code OB22. So click on new entries and enter your company code. In my case, it is AZ01. And choose the currency type. The currency type specifies the role of a currency in the SAP system. So this is in addition to the company code currency. You can use parallel currencies per company code with the following currency types. That is group currency, hard currency, index-based currency, and global company currency per company code. Similarly, in controlling, you can use controlling area currency and object currency. And currency type not only represents the business perspective but also specifies the valuation view. For example, local currency with group valuation. As you can see here, ledger currency group valuation and ledger currency profit center valuation and profit center accounting currency profit center valuation. You can also create your own currency types. So let's choose currency type 30 as group currency. The currency can be in foreign currency, then to choose the source currency as your company code currency or document currency. So you have got two options. So click on company code currency, press enter and continue with the warnings. So you see that currency, group currency is euro and company code currency, as we already know that it is in GBP. Exchange rate type, you know that it is always M. M represents standard translation at average rate. So next is transaction date type. So you have to choose which transaction date type your company would like to choose. Either it should be document date or posting date or translation date. So normally it is posting date. Document date is the date which is on the invoice. Posting date is the one when you post the invoice into SAP system. And translation date is which you set in your exchange rate configuration, that when the exchange rate was updated from euro to GBP or GBP to euro. So let's choose posting date, and real-time conversion will always be checked, and click save. Okay, and that's how you can set the currency settings for company code, replacing the previous transaction code in ECC, which was OB22.